Yo, what's up? I'm Misha Senwan and I'm with
Avril Season 1.
and today we're gonna be doing Douglas Lifestyle. So today we're gonna be starting off with making Douglas's chicken. And while I'm making Douglas's chicken, Avril here is gonna be telling you guys a little bit story about, Douglas and us being here. So Avril, you can tell whatever you want them, just make sure it's appropriate while I'm making the chicken. So go ahead.
Okay.
Ayaw mo mag-story.
So one time when me and Misha and Alvin were upstairs, every time Alvin always uses laptop. And Misha,
Avril, lifestyle ni Douglas hindi natin. Lifestyle ni Douglas.
So Douglas, si Tito Alvin, but Douglas is a new bed, but Misha will Tito Alvin. Tita said who was recording, he said Tito Alvin might use it for the condo. So, well, we cannot open it because we need to wait for Tito Alvin.
If you want to know more information, Tito Alvin is Douglas' dad since he was born. He used to have a sibling, brother ba yan ma? He used to have a brother. Sadly, he's not really here anymore. So Douglas is kind of alone. That's why we're here to comfort him while his owners are there in Canada having fun.
And right now we're gonna take care of him today, so that's why we're doing a video.
Next time, maybe we can make a vlog about our other dog, which is named Jinx.
And
Then
Jinx,
oh no, don't talk about Jinx. We'll talk about Jinx next time. So, if you want more information, Douglas is a boy. Douglas is a boy.
Yeah.
He's 8 years old. Tama ba ako? He's 8 years old and his color is more of a light yellow type of color, maybe. I don't know how to describe him. So, yeah. Avril, favor, pakuha nga ako ng small na plastic bowl. So, guys, this is the food I made. This part is for Douglas because he prefers the insides more than the outsides for some reason. And this is for my other dog, Jinx, because he prefers the bones and the skin. Yes, he does eat this, but that's for Douglas, so he can't eat it. Anyways, before we give this to Douglas, we're gonna be bringing him to his session of grooming today. I'm gonna be going with my partner, Avril.
Hi.
So, I'll see you guys in the next scene. Yo, what's up guys? It's me, Misha Senwan, and I'm with my partner.
Avril Season 1.
And today, we're gonna be doing a different vlog for my other dog, aka Jinx. Jinx, look at the camera. Ew. Hungry na. So the first step of this vlog, which we do, is we feed him. So let's just before we time lapse, we're just Jinx pause off the table.
Jinx off of the table.
Pause off the table. First, we're gonna show you how I feed him the bones. So I just give it like that. If he wants to stand, he stand. But if he goes down, I feed it like that.
Yeah, like that. Like when I feed him, he doesn't eat up.
And then I give him
A skin.
the skin. You don't want it? So let's go on to time lapse.
Jamendo.com.
So guys, if you can see it, lanong pagkain. Jinx cleared his plate. I fed him already.
He is a boy.
Lanong pagkain. So we're done with feeding him.
Yeah, with his
He was
breakfast.
very makulit. So the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna give him a bath.
Yeah.
And it's gonna be troublesome because it's gonna be his first bath
Yes,
ever.
unlock the door.
So yes, let's get started.